Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are surf fishing again in Freeport, Texas. This time at San Luis Pass, and I'm gonna make the first cast of today. So let's see if somebody's home. The current is pretty strong here at San Luis Pass, and we have low tide at the moment. The wind is blowing at about 10 miles today. I mean, the weather is nice. It's about 75. We also couldn't get any live shrimp today, so that's not good. I'm using frozen ones, but also fish bites, so fish bites usually works. The frozen ones, not that great. No, I don't think this spot is good. So let's get the line in and try another spot. Also, flounder season is closed at the moment, but it will reopen at December 15th. Today is December 3rd, so only just a few days. Yeah, maybe let's try over here. Do you remember last time when we were fishing here? When the camera was rolling, no bites. But as soon as I switched off the camera, put it aside, we caught some fish. Hopefully it's not one of these days, but we will see. Well, I caught a flounder, but it's out of season, but it also would be too small. Okay, I get him out of the hook and release him. All right, here it is. And we're gonna let him go. Bye-bye, Mr. Flounder, but thanks for biting. The funny thing with flounder is that sometimes you cannot feel if they bite. And I only could feel that there's something heavy on it, but it also didn't really move. So, yeah, let's try again. Don't get me wrong, I love catching flounder, but not so much when they're out of season. like today. Well, but at least we caught a fish. Well, I will switch off the camera for a moment. Pretty sure something's biting, and I hopefully get the camera on in time to let you see. Amazing, we have the whole San Luis Pass to ourselves. Well, that's my husband over there, but nobody else is here. Alright guys, it's been many hours later now. We moved to a different location, and I want to show you something. First, the beautiful sunset. Isn't it pretty? But also, let's go over here. And I hope you can see it. But we caught 3 whitings. Yeah. So I think overall it was a great day. We had a lot of fun. And yeah, I hope I see you next time. If you would, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And I hope I see you in the next video. Bye!